Friends, now we'll solve this pair of linear equation. Now we'll take this equation, the elimination method. So what shall we do is we'll try to eliminate first one, either y or x, then we'll solve for the other. Okay. Now what is the given equation? A minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and the other one is a plus b into x plus y is equal to a square plus b square. Here remember that these are x and y are the variables. X and y xy are the variables. We have to find out this x value and y value which satisfies both the equations. Okay, so now what shall we do is first we'll expand the second equation. The reason is when I expand the second equation, a plus b into x will come and a plus b into y will come. Because here a plus b is there, here a plus b is there, either we can add or subtract. We'll try to eliminate, right? So what I mean to say is here this is the second equation, we can write as a plus b into x, a plus b into x plus a plus b into y. What is that one? A plus b into y, right? One minute. So a plus b into y is equal to a square plus b square. Okay, so this is what after expansion. Just we have expanded a plus b into multiplied with x and a plus b into multiplied x y. Right side is as it is. Now we'll write both the lines one below the other. We'll see what will happen. So the first equation is little bigger, this one, a minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square. What is the second one after expansion? A plus b into x, right, plus a plus b into y is equal to a square plus b square. Same, this is the two equations it is given. These two equations we are given. Now just what we have did is just we have expanded the second equation. The first equation is as it is. Now just subtract. Now what you do is just subtract the second equation from first. So this is minus, this becomes minus, of course this becomes minus and this becomes minus. Now just you can look at this, a plus b into x, and here it is a minus b into x. This is a minus b into x, it is a plus b into x. When I expand, here ax will come, here ax will come. Here ax is plus, here ax is minus x. We can both will get cancelled. I can show you by expansion. This is ax and minus x get cancels, minus bx and minus bx. So therefore this whole only remains a term, minus 2bx will remain. Okay, just again let's see. Here a into x, this a into x ax, and here it is minus ax will x minus x, plus ax minus x get cancels. Here minus bx will remain, here also minus bx will remain. So it is minus 2bx. Now coming to here, this is simply a plus b into y and a plus b into minus y. Both will get cancelled. Now in this here plus a square is there, minus a square, both will get cancelled. So only left is in the right side minus 2ab minus b square implies minus 2ab minus 2 times of b square, right? Now I will take common, I think minus 2b I can take. When I take minus 2b, a plus b will remain. In the left side minus 2bx, right, minus 2bx. Now simply we can cancel this minus 2b, so therefore in the next page what is the x value? It is x value is equal to a plus b. This is the value of x, right? Now we have to substitute this value in any one of the equations and get for y. So what is the first equation? A minus b into x, no? So in the there we'll put a minus b into x. Okay, I'll write again. Plus a plus b into y is equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square. In this equation, we'll put wherever x is there a plus b. Just one at one place only. So it is a minus b into a plus b, because x plus we are putting a plus b, because the value of x is a plus b. We don't know the value of y, so write as it is a plus b into y. Right side is as it is a square minus 2ab plus b square, sorry, minus b square minus 2ab minus b square. This is minus b square. So therefore, in the next, what shall we do is, we'll simplify. So therefore, a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. The next step will be a plus b into y will remain as it is, a plus b into y, and the right side is a square minus 2ab minus b square. Now this a square in the right side is plus a square get cancelled. Minus b square and minus b square get cancelled. So what is left here? A plus b into y is equal to minus 2ab is left here. So what do you want? Y you want. Therefore, y is equal to, this will come downside of this one, 2ab by a plus b. So finally, the value of x is, what is the value of x we got? A plus b. And the value of y we got is minus 2ab by a plus b. So these are the values of x and y by eliminating this method. Okay, hope you understood. We'll stop here. You can cross check these values by putting back into any one of the equations. You will be satisfied. Okay, we'll stop here.